Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the speaker's required voltage and where it accepts power. Do this now. Once done, remove the battery and expose the battery contacts. Label positive and negative with a marker. Next, prepare a DC adapter that matches the speaker's voltage and at least the same amperage, and get a multimeter and soldering iron ready. Make sure to disconnect power before soldering. Safety matters. You're setting up the physical feed, so the speaker can run directly from an external supply. Now you wire the adapter to the speaker. This is the critical middle step. First, use the multimeter to confirm which PCB pad is positive and which is negative. Once sure, tin the pads and solder the adapter's wires firmly. If a barrel jack is present, either plug in a matching connector or wire the jack to the pads. Make sure to add a reverse polarity diode and a small electrolytic capacitor if the board lacks regulation. This protects the electronics and smooths supply spikes. Finish by testing power. Plug in the adapter, then measure voltage at the speaker pads to ensure correct voltage and polarity. Slowly raise the volume, listen for distortion, and confirm Bluetooth pairing works. Once satisfied, secure wires with hot glue or zip ties, cover exposed solder with heat shrink, and mount the adapter safely. If the speaker hums, won't power, or disconnects, recheck polarity and solder joints, verify the adapter's voltage and current rating, and try adding or replacing a fuse as a single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.